Fuck you, ice cream, stupid Chuck. Boo, ice cream truck. Oh my God. Stupid ice cream truck. You stupid ice cream truck. Stupid ice cream truck. Stupid. Boo, ice cream truck. Boo. Nobody likes ice cream. Boo, ice cream truck. Boo, ice cream. Boo, ice cream truck. Boo. Say ice cream sucks. Say ice cream sucks. Huh? Say ice cream sucks. Ice cream sucks. Ha! Yeah, that's right. Ice cream sucks. Boo, ice cream. That's really what you get. Look, that's why the water ice man. I'm so glad the water ice man came before you.
Cake for me.
So never ever come around except for the water ice. Because the water ice is going to come before you. Ali. You got $2? I want this. Jay, I want the same thing as yours. No, I want this. No, I want this. I want this. That's why the water ice man came before you. So there you go. Now we see who the true king. Now we're going to see who the true king is. Yeah, it's not illegal. And what you gonna do about it? And what you gonna do about it? And what you gonna do about me recording you? And what you gonna do about it? And what you gonna do about it if I'm recording you? And what you gonna do about it if I record you? And what you gonna do about it if I record you? Excuse me? What you gonna do if I record you?
Yeah, you gotta get him out of the street. Stay away from the devil.
What you gonna do if I record you? Nothing.
You need 2 more of those. 2 more of those, right? Yeah. That's all you gotta get. That's all you get. You get the same thing all got, alright?
What you gonna do if I record you? Nothing. You ain't gonna do nothing if I record you. What you gonna do if I record you? Nothing.
Those gas all be burning on the door, man.
You ain't gonna do nothing if I record you. You ain't gonna do nothing if I record you. I can record you if I want to. You ain't gonna do nothing to me.
Good one?
Thank you.